welcome. You have landed at the right place. Allow me to be your guide to this journey today. What do we mean by right and wrong? As humans, we have evolved with social values and developed multiple cultures and communities to survive these environmental challenges on this planet. Who knows what challenges or cultural ideas we will possess on a world alien to this Earth. By far, these cultural values consisting of right and wrong remain our protector gear here. But have you ever thought about the impact of rules or guidelines dominated by the concept of right and wrong deeds? Yes, anything wrong can shake the boundaries of a civilized community. Significance of right and wrong at a cosmic scale. If we move above humanity and further above the planet Earth, we find ourselves in a deep universe where such definitions cease to exist. Can we appoint or assign duties to any universal body that is floating around deep into the cosmos, such as the Sun or other planets like the Earth? Can we expect certain human behaviors with definitive guidelines of right and wrong? Can we ever think of a logic to punish or judge any cosmic body based on its trajectory or movement? The answer to all these questions is certainly no. You may be wondering the meaning of all this talk for something so non-intelligent like the universe. But one might notice that we human beings are already a body, part of this same universe. So can we call it a dumb or non-intelligent present? What do you think? Of course, the whole universe is governed by a set of rules we call the rules of physics and mathematics, which are strictly followed by all the bodies out there, or at least the farthest we know of. There are possibilities that at a certain point beyond human reach of the observable universe, such physics rules are not followed. Who knows, because we don't know yet. So, does it conclude that the whole universe also has some higher judge authority at the cosmos level, sitting above the existence of everything we can or cannot see beyond?
Let this leave you with a thought to question and hopefully come up with an answer. Thank you for watching.